Hello. Today we will be learning about the ADDIE model, which is a popular framework for creating effective training programs. ADDIE is an acronym for the major processes of training, which are analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. The ADDIE model begins when a triggering event occurs, such as a person in power realizing that actual organizational performance is not living up to the expected performance. That person then approaches a training professional, who begins the analysis phase. In this first phase, the trainer must investigate the source of the performance gap, which could be either training or non-training needs. This could include environmental barriers to performance consequence incongruence, or inadequate knowledge, skills, and attitudes. If the source of the performance gap is a training need, the trainer can then continue on to the design phase. During this next phase, the trainer must identify learning objectives, organizational constraints, and the factors to facilitate learning. The next phase is the development phase. Here, the trainer creates an instructional strategy that includes the order, timing, and combination of methods and elements that are needed to facilitate the training. This is also the time when the trainer will gather and create any materials needed, such as manuals, pens, handouts, refreshments, and paper. Once all of the previous steps are completed, the implementation phase can begin. This is when the trainer is actively facilitating the learning process. Dry runs or pilot tests can also be done before the final run. Finally, the last phase is the evaluation phase. Although listed as last, this phase begins when the training objectives are set because they are also measures of success. There are also two types of evaluation: process and outcome. Process evaluation assesses if the training process met its objectives, while outcome evaluation assesses how the training affects the trainee, job, and organization.